Hello children, today we are going to learn about our environment. Look at the picture alongside. You can easily name all these things. Bat, cup, pot, thread. What materials are they made from? These are bananas, gooseberries, maize. What are they used for? We will get all the answers from this lesson. There are many things around us. They form our environment. There are stones, rocks, soil. There are rivers, stream, lake. There is air. There are hills and mountains. There are jungles. There are fields, houses, roads, and also barren lands. We also see many different animals around us. Different types of trees, bushes, and climbers make our environment beautiful. We too are a part of this environment. Now let us look at a stone and a sparrow in our surroundings and compare them. A stone remains where it is. Its place changes only if someone picks it up and moves it. It doesn't eat, so it doesn't grow bigger. It doesn't have babies either. It's not the same with sparrows. They build nests. They move here and there on their own. They eat insects and grains. That is why they grow. They lay eggs in nests. Little sparrows hatch from these eggs. Sparrows take a lot of care of their young ones. Why do we see these differences between the sparrows and the stones? Because the sparrow is living thing and stone is non-living thing. There are living and non-living things in our surrounding. Animals and plants are living things. Look at this, baby animals. And here are parrot and its baby. So animals have babies. And seedlings grow from seeds. The seedling then grow into plants. This tells us that plants are living things. Plants too move. For example, when a bird blooms into a flower, its petals open. Plants also need food. Plants do not move from place to place like animals do. Their roots hold them down in one place. This is a big difference between plants and animals. Look at this picture. These are living or non-living things. These are plants, so they are living things. And these are animals, so they are also living things. But these are non-living things. Now look at this train. It is living or non-living. It can't move its own, so it is non-living thing. Wood comes from trees, which are living things. A chair is made from wood. Now, is the chair living or non-living? It can't grow or move its own, so it is non-living. Which birds do you see in your surrounding? Sparrow, crow, peacock, pigeon, parrot. So many birds. Try to find out some more birds, okay? Can you name some things that are made from stone? Yes, statues, fountain, roads also made by stone. Try to find out some more things that are made from stone. Water and air are a part of the environment. All living things need them. Living things also need food. They get their food from the environment. Whatever things need to survive, they get from their environment. Birds build nests. They need cotton, twigs, and threads to build them. They get these things from the environment. Human beings use so many things from the environment. We get cotton, wool, and silk from our environment. We weave clothes from them. We make things like mats, baskets, paper from materials in our environment. We build houses using clay, stone, and wood. These materials too we get from our environment. The seeds of some plants are scattered by the wind. As a result, seedlings of those plants grow in new places. Thus, plants too get help from their environment. Living things take many things from the environment. What effect does that have on the environment? Animals like vultures and foxes eat the flesh of dead animals. Thus, they clean the environment while they satisfy their hunger. Remains of dead animals decay, they mix with the soil. Leaves fall off trees, they too rot and mix in the soil. This makes the soil fertile. Plants get nourishment from fertile soil. Thus, living things bring about changes in non-living things. Do you know, children? A sheep's body is covered with wool. The sheep feeds on leaves of shrubs. As it does so, the seeds of some shrubs can get caught in its wool. When the sheep goes somewhere else, the seeds may fall off there. Thus, the sheep helps new seedlings of the shrub to grow in many different places. So, children, today we have learned that there are many things in our environment. There are living things and non-living things. Living things can move on their own. Non-living things cannot move their own. Living things need food to grow. Non-living things do not grow, so they do not need food. Living things produce young ones like themselves. Non-living things do not produce young ones like themselves. Children, always remember this. The needs of all living things are fulfilled by things in their environment. Such a thing should not be allowed to go waste. We must take care that we do not cause harm to the environment.